Hello students, good morning. Let us discuss about vibration spectra of diatomic molecule. So vibration spectrum. We know that an atom exhibits both vibration energy, rotational energy, and it can also possess kinetic energy of the molecules. See, we have already derived an expression for diatomic molecule with the help of rigid rotator. See, vibration spectra of diatomic molecule are a fine structure of vibration rotation bonds. It is also known as vibrating rotator. See, when a molecule having electric dipole, it is kept in electric field. The electric field means which arise due to electrons in motion or electric charges in molecules. Opposite charges exhibits forces in opposite direction, but the restoring force tend to decrease the separation. When these charged atoms vibrate, their IR radiation from source and produce vibration spectra. See, vibration spectra is vibration due to atoms, molecules. When the IR spectrum, see, infrared spectrum is exposed to high resolution instrument and it will absorb the absorption bands with the help of functional groups to consist of number of closely spaced absorption lines. Whenever the vibration energy changes, if see, for example, atom having vibrational energy changes, what about its rotational energy also changes. Then consider diatomic molecule. It exhibits, see, molecule exhibit both rotational vibrational and kinetic energy of the molecules. Here diatomic molecule is assumed to be rigid rotator. We have already discussed reduced mass of diatomic molecules. 2 particle mass is reduced to 1 particle mass, that is called reduced mass. Then total energy of here from the in this case the total energy of the molecule exhibits both CEV means vibrational energy plus rotational energy and equals nu plus of Hc omega E plus H square. This is rotational constant B. This factor is known as rotational constant called as B. H square divided by 8 pi square I j into j plus 1. We know that j is a rotational quantum number. It indicates energy levels of the atom. See, an atoms here E1, E2, E3, which indicates the rotational energy levels an atom possesses. This one is ground state, first, second, third excited states of the atoms. Then omega is V is the vibrational quantum number, rotational energy, vibrational energy, and here WE is equilibrium vibrational frequency of molecule. WE is in terms of wave number, and I is a moment of inertia, which indicates the internuclear distance between two atoms. For example, consider two atoms. The distance inter means between, internuclear distance means the distance between two atoms. That is, we can also measure using the help of inertia, that is factor I. Intra means distance between atom itself, that is intranuclear distance. We should know the difference between inter and intranuclear distance. And see, let E dash and E double dash. E dash and see here also, see, this one is ground state and this can also be written as E double state or E1 or E2. See, similar approach is E1, E2 or write in terms of factors E dash, E double dash are the total energies for two state, E1, E2 state, ground state, first excited states. We know that Einstein's frequency of radiation E equals h nu. See here the difference between the energy states an atom here. See, E1, E2 states or E1 minus E double dash T equals H nu. Here, if energy is changes, frequency also changes, right? In terms of frequency, nu dash minus nu double dash HCWE plus this factor. On right here, J dash into J dash plus 1 minus J double dash of J double dash plus 1. The corresponding wave number is nu dash equals or nu bar equals 1 by lambda. Then nu bar equals 1 by Hc equals nu dash minus nu double dash WE plus H by 8 pi square IC into the same thing. Here an atom takes a transition from a frequency 0 to 1, and see this term is, we call this factor is goes to 1. Then apply this condition. See nu bar equals nu naught bar plus here also this, see this factor is called rotational constant, that is B of J dash into J dash plus 1, same thing. Then for rotational transition, then it is change in rotational delta J. J means rotational quantum number. If delta J exists, which means the difference or change in energy levels, call this as plus or minus 1. For example, upper and lower state. Upper it is energy levels increases, it one is decreases. See for example, see energy levels are in this case this one. This is delta J equals minus 1. Then here similar thing, here it increases gradually. In a similar approach, see here J equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here V equals 1, U equals 1. We are applying two conditions, right? See, one is this one. V equals nu equals 0. Here V nu equals 1. Right, in terms of, we can call as wave number V equals 0. Then if delta J equals minus 1, here in this case delta J equals plus 1. If delta J equals plus 1, this takes a transition from J tends to J plus 1. This is R branch. And if nu bar of R equals nu naught of bar plus 2bj, right? Using these two conditions, see here this term is plus, it goes to here also plus. If it is takes a transition negative, here also negative. By combining these two branches, we get nu bar of P equals nu naught plus 2bm. The equation 4 gives it is the series of lines with constant wave number and separation of 2b rotational constant factor. The value of m is not equal to 0. See, because if m is 0, there is no any change in energy mass of the atoms. Therefore, the first between the lines of P and R branches. If there is separation between 4b, separation means the distance dipole between two atoms. A line of wave number is also calculated with the help of rotation and vibration of a molecule. See, this is the derivation related to vibration spectra of diatomic molecules. See, this is the last derivation of this chapter. Anyway, we have completed 2 chapters in physics paper 5. I need around 3 to 4 classes in order to solve problems on this chapter. Next, around we have in this chapter we have around 10 problems, 11 problems. See, mainly focusing on, in this chapter we have around 11 problems. In the examination, mainly they are focusing on Raman spectrum. Most of the problems from Raman spectra and moment of inertia, that is I equals mu r square. Internuclear distance, find out internuclear mass of the particle and moment of inertia. In the upcoming classes, we will solve problems on this chapter, molecular spectra and Raman effect.